Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Anuj and today in this JavaScript video I will show you what is indexOf method. In my last video I have shown you what is concat method. If you haven't watched my last video, so go to description, there you will find a playlist so you can check that video. So now I will go to HTML file and I will show you what is indexOf method and how it works and what is the purpose of use. So here you can see I have added some code here already. So I have one string, okay, and this is the syntax of indexOf method. So here string means this one, okay. So I have written str because in this variable I have stored the string value, and then the method name dot indexOf. So here I have written the same thing, and this method takes two parameters, substring and start index. So start index parameter is the optional parameter, okay. So here that's why at the first example I did not write the start index, I have written the substring one only. So what is substring? Substring means this entire one is string, okay. So from this string, when you want to take any word, that is called substring method, okay. So here I have written substring creative, okay, means this word. So what it will return? So it will return the first position of this creative word, okay. So if you count here from where it is starting, this creative word, so if I count here 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, so this creative word starting from 6 position, so it will return the number 6. So let's see it is returning the number 6, okay. So same way you can try from yourself, developer, hello, any other word from a string, you will get the position, starting position of that word, okay. So now one question maybe come to your mind, so that is, suppose this creative word is 2 times, then which one it will return? So always it will return the first word, okay, first word, first position. Just remember, it will return the first words, first position. So here creative first word is this one and the first position from here. So now also it will return 6. See 6. Now suppose this creative is here in the first one, okay. So that time it will return 0 because the first creative is this one and the first position is 0, okay. See, it is written 0. So this is the indexOf example, first example. Now I will show you the start index. So what is the start index? Start index means it's a number and index start from 0. I already said that one. So here that means you have to provide some number. So what will be the number? So now suppose if I add the random number, that is 2. 2 means what? So it will not consider the first one, okay, means I am setting the position, okay. So here if you count as 0 1 2 means this creative after this creative, whatever that it will return, means this one it will return, okay. So it is returning 15. So now here if I count here 0 1 2 3 4 like this, so if you count, so up to that how many character you will count, so that number if I add, so it will return this one, okay. Like see here if I add here suppose 20, so it will return the position of this creative, see 34. So like this way it works. If you have any confusion, so you can write in the comment section, or else if you find this video is helpful, so please like this video, also subscribe my channel to get more update in JavaScript.